Withdraw on Binance in Australia using Osko. How to withdraw on Binance in Australia using Osko? Now, first of all, make sure I log into your Binance account. Now, head over to trade, click on P2P. Now, after that, make sure you select sell because you want to withdraw your money. Now, after that, select the crypto that you want to sell and select your country currency. For this, it will be the currency of Australia. After that, on the payment, select Osko. After a while, this page will refresh to show you the advertisers that they accept Osko. Now after that, make sure you select the one that want to sell to. Now after that, click on sell USDT. Now after that, make sure to read all of the instructions from here, and now enter how much of USDT that you want to sell and select the payment to Osko. Now click on this plus, and now you can enter all the information of your bank to add it. Now after that, click on confirm to add your bank. Now after that, click on sell USDT. And this is how to withdraw on Binance in Australia using Osko. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.